Okay, next on the grilled cheese quest is Panera. Now, I'm on the tail end of being sick, so I figured this was a good time to try this tomato soup. I've never had tomato soup, so that'll be interesting. I will say that when they opened the window at the drive-thru, it smelled like a community garbage dumpster. So that's not super appetizing. I've only eaten Panera once. I'm gonna try the soup first. It smells good. I've been 34 years without that that stinks, because that's really good. Okay, I'm here for the soup. Also, I asked them if the tea was sweet. That is not sweet tea. I got the pomegranate hibiscus. That shit's nasty. Need some sugar. This is, I will say, the tiniest grilled cheese we've encountered so far. Maybe it's a half a grilled cheese. I don't know. It's a little bitty. We're gonna make a cheese pull happen. That looks like the plastic cheese that comes from the market. Okay, let's try it by itself. This is not looking superb. Y'all are kidding, right? That is vile. That is just say we did it. I'm gonna dip it in the soup. This is all that's a really bad. I'm not even gonna call it a grilled cheese. I'm really glad I'm about to get groceries so I can make myself some lunch, because that ain't it. I'm gonna give it. Oh, that's bad.